Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn how to connect a DHT11 sensor with an ESP32 board. The DHT11 is a small electronic device that can measure two very important things around us: temperature and humidity. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Now, we will make our circuit on the breadboard. So basically, there are two types of DHT11 sensors in our Wegyanik kit. The first one looks like this, and the other one looks like this. The main difference between them is the position of their pins. First, let's build the circuit using this DHT11 sensor. Now we will place our wires in these three lines. First, we will connect a wire from the ESP32's 3.3 volt pin to the DHT11 sensor's VCC pin. Like this. Then, we will connect the ESP32's ground pin to the DHT11 sensor's ground pin. Like this. And finally, we connect the ESP32's D4 pin to the DHT11 sensor's data pin. Like this. Here's the complete connection. You can take a screenshot of it. Now, let's connect the other DHT11 sensor with the ESP32. In this one, first we connect ground to ground. Like this. Then, we connect the ESP32's 3.3 volt pin to the DHT11 sensor's VCC. Like this. And finally, we connect the ESP32's D4 pin to the DHT11 sensor's data pin. Like this. Now, our circuit is complete. You can again take a screenshot of this circuit. Now, connect your micro USB cable to the ESP32 in your PC. Next, open the Arduino IDE and simply copy the code from the website. Now, let's go through the code and explain it line by line. Before we start, we include three important libraries: adafruit_sensor.h, dht.h, and dht_u.h. These libraries help our ESP32 communicate with the DHT11 sensor and read both temperature and humidity easily. These libraries help our ESP32 communicate with the DHT11 sensor and read both temperature and humidity easily. Here, we define two things. DHT pin tells that the data pin of the DHT11 sensor is connected to GPIO4 on the ESP32. And DHT type defines which sensor we are using. In our case, it's DHT11. This helps the ESP32 understand the sensor type and the pin used to get the readings. Now we create an object named DHT using the DHT library. This line tells the ESP32, "Hey, I have a DHT11 sensor connected on pin number 4, get ready to read its data." The setup function runs only once when the ESP32 starts. Serial.begin 115,200, this starts the serial monitor, so we can see our temperature and humidity readings on the computer screen. DHT.begin, this line initializes the DHT11 sensor and prepares it for measurement. In the loop function, we read live data from the DHT11 sensor. DHT.readHumidity reads the humidity in percentage. DHT.readTemperature reads the temperature in degrees Celsius. Both values are stored in float variables because they can have decimal points. This part checks whether the readings are valid or not. If the ESP32 fails to read data properly, it shows a message, "Failed to read from DHT sensor," on the serial monitor. This helps us know if the sensor is not connected properly. Here, we print the readings on the serial monitor. First, the humidity in percentage, and then the temperature in degrees Celsius. You'll see both values updating every 2 seconds, just like a mini weather station. Finally, we add a delay of 2000 milliseconds, which means a 2-second pause. This gives the sensor enough time before taking the next reading. Now, you need to install the DHT sensor library from the library section. Just like this. Otherwise, your code will show an error. Now, our library has been installed. Now, just verify the code. Like this. And finally, just upload the code. Now, our code has been uploaded successfully. Now, just open the serial monitor and it will show the readings. Like this. For both the sensors. Like this. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.